Hi there, my name is Leo and I am so glad to present this amazing recipe. Grilled Pacific red salmon, guacamole, passion fruit syrup, toasted almonds, lime and salmon raw. To begin, remove the skin of the red salmon. Cut slices of 1 centimeter and add sea salt. Preheat the griddle for about 15 minutes on medium heat. Add olive oil and almonds until you get a nice brown. Grill slices of salmon until brown on medium heat for about 5 minutes each side. Let's start the guacamole. With a sharp knife, mark avocado skin. Take off the avocado stone using a knife just like this. With a spoon, remove the avocado and take it to a mortar. Chop a pinch of green chili pepper. Grate 3 fresh tomatoes. 2 red onions in julienne and crush with mortar. Preheat the griddle again for about 15 minutes on medium heat and grill the half limes until brown. For the passion fruit syrup, mix in a saucepan 1 cup of muscovado sugar, the juice of 1 passion fruit, and 1 cup of water. Take it to the grill on medium heat for about 15 minutes. We are ready for the plating. Add red salmon over the guacamole, add passion fruit syrup, lime, fresh cilantro, toasted almonds, and finish with salmon raw. Hope to see you soon on the next chapter of Tagwood Barbecue Grill & Academy.